Hey guys, how's it going? How was your weekend? We just had Easter weekend here, and my kids had 4 days off at home. My husband had 3 days off, and so unfortunately, we didn't have any family around to get together with, but we went to a hockey game with the kids, which was super fun. And then we did our last ski day and ended up skiing on water at the bottom when we were doing the ski out. Literally, we're skiing on water, which was fun and scary and, feeling like you're going to fall on your face any moment, but everything was fine. So that was fun. Finally finished our ski season. And what else? And then my husband cooked up this amazing Easter dinner, which was so fancy, fancier than my birthday and Christmas and all the things combined. Just somehow accidentally we came up with that menu and we had all the ingredients. So kids and I made cookies. So it was just an idyllic weekend all together with the kids. Of course, it was not that idyllic. We still had screaming and yelling and chaos and all the usual things that happen. So I wanted to it's a short message for you today. If you are a mom, stay-at-home mom like me, and you are bored because you're doing all the same things I'm doing, like cleaning and driving and cooking and driving and cleaning and taking care of kids and cooking and all the things over and over and over again. And if you're getting bored, here's my solution that solved that problem for me. And I've also Googled it. And the answers that I found are kind of all in the same topic, same theme, is basically whatever you find a way to help others, like help, improve someone else's life, or help create something and therefore improve someone else's life. Other than your children's, I think, because we already do that with our children all the time. So some sort of creation and helping others, basically, whatever form it takes. Even if you're not really directly creating, but if you're just helping, making someone else's life better somehow, it's going to give you meaning to whatever you're doing. It's going to give you that amazing feeling of purpose, of meaning, and you're going to feel really good about yourself. You're going to feel excited, and it's going to feel like purpose. So this is what I'm selfishly doing here, recording this podcast, because it is not only for you, it is for me. I do feel like sharing my stories does help you. If it helps at least one person out there, then my job is complete. Then I treat it as a success. And I have seen proof of that. I know that I've helped you by just sharing these stories. So I love to do this. And that's why I even came back to doing this after 5-6 months, because that is a solution that fills my cup, fulfills me, feels good. I do feel like it gives me more meaning to what I'm doing. I'm already taking care of 6 people in our family. I'm already taking care of 4 boys, raising them, taking care of myself, taking care of my husband. But doing this gives it that extra depth, that extra meaning, and connects me to you, to my community, and I love it. So that's my simple message to you is, you're super bored, but what can you do that fits your life right now that makes it so much more exciting? That's all I have for you guys. I would love to hear from you. You can always email me. You can always send me that text through the link thing in the description. I would love to hear how you're implementing these, how your life is going, what's new with you. And I will see you in the next episode. Love you. Bye.
And I'm on a roll.